good afternoon, good evening. Today is day number 4. Last night, I did go back and finish painting the other things that I needed to paint, which was behind these shelves. As you can see, I painted it. I also laid down a few more planks of floor. Today, I have maybe 3 more rows of the floor to be laid down, and then I should be able to start once I'm done with that. There is a little bit more of the trim along the sides that needs to be painted. I wasn't going to do it, but now that I'm looking at it, I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to paint off this trim, finish putting down the floors, and then putting the room together. So I am going to pause you. I will be right back with working clothing, and then I'll be right back with you in just a moment. I'm back. I brought up some more wood planks. Gonna start prepping that. You know, I've been talking to you about not having enough storage on my phone, and my phone not being adequate for this type of recording. And of course, there was quite a bit of recording that I thought, quite a bit of the video that I thought was being recorded, and it was not. So, I have a piece that did not record. Then I had another piece that didn't have volume. So that sucks. So during the editing process, I'll see what I can do to try to, update you with what I did to that point. But yeah, for the sake of not having enough room in my storage for more recording, I am going to paint the edging, finish up that flooring behind the scenes, come back, show you the result of that. And I'm also waiting on some LED lights. They should be coming in today. I hope they come in today, because if they come in today, I can install them today and then put a seal on this project. But if not, then that'll have to be installed tomorrow, because you know how sometimes these delivery things are. They say it's coming today, and then somehow they say it's not coming today, it's coming tomorrow. Or if they do come, they come major late in the evening. So I'm hoping for that to seal the deal. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I finished the floor. First of all, I'm in an attic space. It is 84 degrees outside. Needless to say, it is hot in this piece. Whew. But I didn't get to do the trimming on the top. I'm going to show you why. I am going to get to it just in a moment. I finished the floor. Let me turn the camera around. Floor is complete. Everything is complete. I started wiping this down because now I need to move all of this. Well, not this, because I don't really want to have to move this. But if I move all of this to this side, I can get up there. And let me see if I can show you. That is trim. I was going to leave that trim white, but because of this stairwell section, and because I was stretching and so forth, I ended up painting that white trim. So I'm just gonna go and finish painting it the urban bronze color. So I just have to do that, all of this to match that. And this is a little something my husband did not know I was gonna get. It's a little lounger. He doesn't know that I have it. I blew it up while he was at work so he wouldn't hear me blowing up anything. And believe it or not, it's comfortable. Believe it or not, it is very comfortable. I can probably put a little bit more air in it, but it is comfortable. So this is a good spot for him to read. He does like to read. So he's going to be excited to see this. And so yeah, I am just about done. Just about done. I just need to move this over so I can get the ladder up there, do the trimming, and then after that, I'm going to clean up everything, put everything in its prospective places. The respected places. And then I just gotta wait for the LEDs. So I'll show you the outcome in just a little bit. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Day 5, and the gaming studio is complete. Before I call my husband up so that he can see it for the very first time, there was a few things I wanted to say to you guys who are watching. This video, or this little series, my very first upload project, did not come out the way, or not the room. The room itself came out fabulous, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. But the whole recording process and so forth, nothing that I originally envisioned actually happened. And I'm hoping that our next challenge, it'll be better in terms of entertainment for you guys, because I've had so many issues with my phone and my storage. I lost a lot of footage. I lost some audio. I couldn't really show you guys, you know, what I was doing as I was doing it. And that's one of the things I was really hoping that you guys would be able to see. But in order to give you something, I had to keep stopping and just kind of give you an update as to what I had already done versus showing you guys how I was doing it. So I'm hoping that going forward, by the time I upload my next challenge, I would have a better camera, and I'll be able to record the way I want to record. So without further ado, let me turn the camera around and show you. I do have the lights out right now so that you can see the whole effect with the LED lights. His computer lights up as well, and all of his wires are still hanging because he's going to deal with putting those together, and then we will somehow hide those wires, and maybe I'll give you a little update some other time. But oh, and I did say that I wanted to turn that on, so I'm going to call him. I'm going to call him up and see if he can put that on. Okay? All right, I can't wait. Let's see what he says. Hold on. You ready to come see?
Yeah, we're waiting to see, Mom.
All right. I'm gonna let you go up first.
What? No way. Where's the ring? What? Oh, wow. Thank you, honey.
This lounge chair needs a little bit more air, but
This plug?
yeah, that's not plugged. You could add an extra light here though.
Okay.
But So because I told him that you were gonna deal with putting those wires back, and then when you're done with that, we'll figure out a way to hide them.
No way. Fire, my love. Yeah.
I also
You gave me the plant?
yeah, because it looks good there. I told him that I was gonna turn that on, but I didn't know how to. Can you turn it on?
Yeah, turn it.
Oh, it's on the side, duh. Yes, look at that. Perfect day for it too. It's pouring outside.
This is
So what do you think?
I love it. This is the lid.
Does it look like the inspiration?
It sure does. A whole lot. Wow.
And then the Let's Go is right there. It's perfectly centered.
This is fire. This is sweet. Ah, you outdid yourself.
Oh, I'm so glad you like it.
I love it. No, for real. I love it. I'm glad we got rid of that dingy carpet.
Oh my goodness, the drama with that carpet. The drama with that carpet.
This is lit.
I mean, the chairs need some air, but you want a cup of squat?
It's gonna be hard for me to get up.
Ah.
I'm a big boy.
Well, I sat on it and it was comfortable.
I love it.
I'm so glad you love
I
it.
love it.
Look at this. Look how nice that is.
My room is lit.
So for company, for you to read, or for when I come up and hang out with you, you know how sometimes you like come up,
Yeah.
so come stay with me. All right. First challenge down.
Thank you. Love you. This is
Thumbs up on this one. Talk to you soon. Don't forget, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next challenge. Bye.